Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 6.3 question number 2. Fill in the blanks with is greater than, is less than or equal to, is equal to sign. Let us take question number A. Question number A is minus 3 plus of minus 6 then dash we are getting minus 3 minus of minus 6, right? First we'll solve left hand side, that is this one, left hand side LHS. What you are getting, that is minus 3 plus into minus is minus 6. Here is I see that is both the sign are same, therefore the number will be added, right? That is 6 plus 3 is 9 and the sign will be minus, right? Right hand side, what you find in right hand side, you see right hand side, that is equal to minus 3 and minus into minus is plus, a plus 6, right? Now you see one is plus, one is minus, that means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 6, minus 3. What are you getting? 6 minus 3 is 3, it is 3, and a sign, one is minus, one is plus, which one is greater? 6 is greater than 3, therefore it is plus, right? Now you see left hand side is minus 9 and right hand side is plus 3, and plus is greater, therefore you can say that plus 3 is greater than minus 9, or you can say minus 9 is less than plus 3, right? Therefore the answer will be, that is left hand side is less than right hand side, right? Therefore we can write here that this is less, right? This is less than, right? Now we'll solve question number B. We'll solve question number B. Now question number B is question number B. You see, question number B is this one. Question number B, that is minus 21 minus of minus 10 dash minus 31 plus of minus 11, right? This is left hand side. First we'll solve left hand side, that is LHS is equal to, here you see this is minus 21 and here it is minus into minus is plus, it is plus 10. If one number is minus and one number is plus, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Greater number is 21, you subtract 10, then you are getting 1, 11. Number is 11. Now you see this is plus, this is minus, which number is greater? 21 is greater than 10, therefore the sign will be minus, right? Now RHS, right hand side, what we are getting, you see right hand side, that is minus 31 plus into minus is minus 11. Now you see here both the sign are same, negative, both are negative, minus 31 minus 11, that means we have to add the numbers, that is you add 31 with 11, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 3 plus 1 is 4, therefore we are getting 42, and both are minus, therefore it will be minus. Now you have to say which one is greater and which one is less. I say minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Or you can say that left hand side is greater than right hand side, greater than right hand side, right? Therefore, in question number B, we can say that this number is right. We can say that left hand side is greater than right hand side, right? This is question number B. Next, we solve question number C. Question number C is now question number C. Let us take question number C. Now you find what is question number C. Question number C is 45 minus of minus 11 dash 57 plus of minus 4, right? Now first we'll solve left hand side. This is left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 45 minus into minus is plus 11. If we add 45 with 11, 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5. This is left hand side. What are you getting on right hand side? Right hand side. That is 57. Here you see plus into minus is minus 4. 3, 5. 53. Now here you see that 56 is greater than 53. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is greater than right hand side. Greater than right hand side. Left hand side. That left hand side is greater than right hand side. Therefore, we write question number C as that left hand side is greater than right hand side. Therefore, it will be greater. Right? Next, we'll solve question number D. Question number D is question number D. Let us write what is question number D. Question number D. Here you see question number D, that is minus 25. Minus 25, that is minus of minus 42 dash, and this is in bracket minus 42 minus of in bracket minus 25, right? First we'll solve left hand side. Left hand side is equal to minus 25 this is minus into minus is plus 42. Now 1 is plus, 1 is minus. That means you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That is 42. That is 42 minus 25. 7, 12. 2 plus 1, 3, 4. 17. Therefore, it is 17. Now you see here 25 and 42. Which is greater? 42 is greater than 25. It is plus sign. Therefore, it will be also plus sign. Right? And right hand side, what you are getting on right hand side, you see right hand side It is minus 42. Minus into minus is plus 25. Therefore, what we get? 1 is minus, 1 is plus. Therefore, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That is 42 minus 25. 5, 7, 12. Carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 1, 4, 17. 17. Right? Now you see here, 1 is 42 and the number is 25. Which one is greater? 42 is greater than 25. Therefore, the sign will be minus. Right? Now we can say that plus 17 is greater than minus 17. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is greater than right hand side. Right? Therefore, we can say that left hand side this, this is greater than this one, and this is greater. This is the solution of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.